What happened to your iPad, you said?
My 6-year-old, he got upset. He was playing Minecraft, I believe, and he popped it with the charger.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know, like, I'm like, dude, what's going on?
Ew.
And he just crying. He just keep crying.
Wow.
And I'm like, you have to talk to me. And that's what he finally told me, like, Mommy, I popped it with the charger because Minecraft, I lost the game.
Don't worry. I got you.
Please.
I have to wear my gloves. What do you think is this? Comment below. Got some here too. Hey case, how gross is this? I'm sorry, but it is. Let's change the screen and clean this housing. Something sticky on this one, I don't know what that is. I want to scratch. Frame is messed up too. Not even coming out. Time to fix screen. It's dusty inside too. I'm gonna clean this frame as well. Your iPad is ready. Now everything is working fine.
Oh my God. Thank you. This looks amazing. It's so clean.
Let me show the back on the camera. Look at this, guys. It looks brand new now, right?
Dope. Straight out the city.